going to make a paper boat with origami. These paper boats are really fun to make. With some craft paper or colored paper, you can easily fold these pieces together and then make a beautiful, funny boat. So yeah guys, let's begin. So guys, now that we have made the paper boat, take a look at these so cool people. Wow, look at these boats. A green and a pink. Look at them, they're so beautiful. Do you know you can play with them in the sink or the bathtub? If you have them, you can play in them with water. Or you can play with them on the floor so they don't get wet and destroyed. And if you don't want to play them on the floor because that would not feel like, playing like on the ocean, boats on the ocean, then you can use a blue blanket or a blue napkin. They make great oceans. Look, they're sailing. They're sailing. Oh, they bumped. Uh-oh, they bumped. Uh-oh, gotta be careful next time. Oh, this boat doesn't like this one. Ah, it's her boat. Yeah. See, you can play like that. You can have so much fun. So yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Like paper toy animals and paper origami. So much fun. Science experiments. You all like science, right? We can do volcano experiments. So we're gonna have fun. So subscribe to our channel to get more videos.